Hi everybody, welcome to Passing It On, a culinary legacy for the next generation. So you're thinking why I'm using the hat. Okay, it's quite cold today. It's raining outside, and another secret, I didn't have time to straighten my hair. So that's the reason for the hat. So today I will be showing you how to make a kasayam. Okay, so you must be wondering what is a kasayam. A kasayam, basically in India, it was a mixture of herbs, herbs that have healing properties that was boiled together to give you this kasayam that could help you, during an ailment. So today I'm going to show you how to make that because, with lockdown, with COVID, and with the season of flu, we're all going through this problem where, we're struggling with cough and sinus and flu and cold and so on. So this is something that I've tried at home. It has helped me as well and my family. Okay, so for the ingredients for the kasayam, I have a teaspoon of turmeric. This is the organic turmeric. I've got one lime. I've got some honey. This is optional. And I've got a couple of cloves. And then I've got ginger. And I also need a liter of water to that. So this is an ingredients for a kasayam. Okay, so I've got my pot on the stove. I've put in a liter of water. A liter of water is like four mug, cup mug. You take that, you put that, and got the stove on. So to my lemon, okay, you need to make it like 7 pieces. So that's 1, 3, 4. In fact, with the lime or lemon, it actually helps you with losing weight as well. So, and then I've got a bit of clove, about 5 cloves. I'm going to add that to it. And then I've got a teaspoon of the organic turmeric powder. I'm going to add to this. Okay. I've got my ginger that's already clean. So I'm just going to slice that a bit in here. In fact, the price of ginger has gone so much now. So I guess everybody's using it at home as well. Okay, so I'm gonna let this boil for about 5 minutes and we'll come back to the pot. Okay, so it's been boiling for about 5 minutes now, and as you can see, it's nicely done. You will know when it's done when the lime starts to, shrink a bit. So that is ready. Okay, so now I'm just going to point into my little cup. Okay. So guys, you can have a bit of honey to it, but if you're suffering with sugar and so on, you don't have to have honey to this, but I prefer honey, so it's a bit sweet. So every one of the ingredients that I put into this kasayam has a healing property, like the lime, the lemon, your clove. It helps with your sinuses, your flu, and also the garlic. It helps with vertigo as well. So from my kitchen to your kitchen, even as you go into the week ahead, I know tomorrow is going to be cold as well. Just stay warm, stay safe, and try to do everything possible so you don't get sick, and try one of this kasayam at home. It will help you a lot. So from my kitchen to your kitchen, I wish you a week of prosperity, a week of total healing upon you and your family, and may your cupboards never run dry short. And remember, there is always hope. Take care and God bless.